What if I told you, you already know enough English to speak for 5 full minutes without learning a single new word? Most learners think they need more vocabulary, more grammar, more lessons. But what if the secret is simply talking about your own day? Stay with me. By the end of this episode, you will speak about your day clearly, confidently, and naturally. Hello and welcome back to English Forever. This is your safe space to listen, repeat, shadow, and grow. I'm Maya, and I'm really glad you're here. In this episode, I speak slowly. I use clear, simple English. I repeat important ideas. So you can shadow my voice, build confidence, and finally start thinking in English. Today, we're learning something powerful: how to describe your day in English, not with short answers, but with real, natural sentences. Let's begin. Why start with your day? Because your day is real. You don't need to imagine anything. You lived it. And when something is real, it's easier to talk about. Let's practice together. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. Ready? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Sometimes I wake up earlier if I have a busy day. When I wake up, I stay in bed for a few minutes. I think about my plans. Good. Now let's build it into a small story. Listen first. In the morning, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I check my phone and read a few messages. Then I get out of bed, brush my teeth, and wash my face. After that, I make breakfast and drink a cup of coffee. Now you try. Pause the video. Speak about your morning. Just 4 sentences. Don't be perfect. Be real. Part 2. Afternoon. The afternoon is usually busy. Work, school, meetings, tasks. But this is powerful practice time. Let's try again. Repeat after me. After lunch, I go back to work. I answer emails and finish my tasks. Sometimes I feel tired, so I take a short break. If I have free time, I study English. Now listen to this short afternoon story. In the afternoon, I usually work on my computer. I have 1 or 2 meetings. Around 3 p.m., I take a short break and drink tea. Before I finish work, I write a small to-do list for tomorrow. Now it's your turn. Describe your afternoon. What do you usually do after lunch? Speak, even if it's simple. Evening. Evening is reflection time. It's calm, slower, more personal. Let's practice. I come home around 6 p.m. I change my clothes and relax. I eat dinner with my family. Before bed, I watch something or read a book. Now the full evening story. In the evening, I like to relax. I eat dinner and talk about my day. Sometimes I go for a short walk. Before bed, I brush my teeth and go to sleep around 11. You don't need big words. You don't need advanced grammar. You need repetition. When you talk about your day, you stop translating. You start thinking in English. You build real speaking muscles. 1 sentence today, 2 tomorrow, a full story next week. That's progress. Now, I want you to do something important. After this episode ends, speak about your full day. Just 2 minutes. Record yourself if you can. And remember, fluent speakers are not perfect speakers. They are practiced speakers. Come back to this episode. Shadow again. Repeat again. Grow again. This is English Forever. Keep listening, Keep speaking and keep believing in your voice. Thanks for being here. If this helped you even a little, subscribe and join me for more simple, real English practice. See you in the next episode.